Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at how to use the Avada Section Separator Element. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to add a section separator element to a page and what options you have. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's dive in. The Section Separator Element allows you to separate sections on your site with style. There are 22 different styles to choose from, including a custom style, so you can add your own separator file. If we look here on the home page of the Avada Classic Prebuilt, we can see the separator section in action at the bottom of the hero section. This is using the big half circle style. Let's have a look at how this element has been used here. If I edit the top container here and head to the background tab and the image tab, we can see it has a normal background image. Inside this container, there is a 1-1 column with a title, a text block, and 2 buttons. At the bottom of this container is a column holding the section separator element. It's important with this element that the holding container does not have any padding at the bottom, and that the holding column does not have any padding or margin at the bottom. If I just adjust those areas with the drag handles, you can see what happens when I add some bottom padding to the container, or any padding or margins to the column. In each case, the container background image shows through and ruins the effect. It doesn't have to be in its own column as it is here. This has just been done to allow some margin on the column above. However, the element could have been placed in the same column as the other elements and the margin applied to the section separator element itself. In any case, once our container and columns are set, let's look at the actual element options. The first option is the section separator style. As mentioned, there are now 22 styles to choose from. If you choose custom, you can then upload your own custom SVG file to be used for the separator. With each pre-built style selected comes a unique range of options for positioning and style. For example, if we look at this particular style, we have a height option to control how high the separator is, and if we change this to 150 pixels for example, the overall height of the separator is increased, and we can see more of the curve. Following this, we can see that the vertical position of the separator is set to the top. We could change this to the bottom if we wanted to add another section separator at the top of the container, and we could get an effect like this. But let's come back to our original setup. With all styles, there is an element visibility option which allows you to show or hide the element on various screen sizes, and the CSS class and CSS ID fields for further CSS customization. As mentioned before, you'll see different options in the tab depending on the style chosen. Some have a horizontal position as well, to effectively flip the pattern horizontally. And other styles have a repeat option to control how many times the pattern is repeated across the screen. This changes the look considerably. Uniquely, the triangle style allows you to set an icon and an icon color, as well as a border and border color. Regardless of the style chosen, the options on the Design tab are the same. Here there is a margin option for the element as a whole, and a background color option. This is what allows you to blend the separator into the next container. Because the next container is white here, setting this to white blends it in seamlessly. Take the time to experiment with the styles to find one that looks best for your circumstances. Depending on your design, and with a bit of consideration and application, there are many different effects you can achieve. Like this for example. Okay, that's the section separator element. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.